Hi, my name is Brian and I'm the owner of Alpha Lion Auto Detailing, where we specialize in ceramic coatings and paint corrections. So we're based out of McAllen, but we're completely mobile and go directly to you to take care of the appointment anywhere in the Rio Grande Valley. What I want to do right now is talk to you a little bit about our ceramic coating process and exactly what we do to make sure your vehicle not only looks better than you, but is also protected. Check it out.
So what you're seeing here is a beautiful 2024 Lamborghini Huracan. Awesome customer, awesome result. His main concern was making sure that everything was nice and protected, but also wanted us to make sure that his blue paint had that pop to it. As you can see, we got the result he was looking for. Strong ceramic coating protection and also an amazing gloss. But exactly how did we get these amazing results?
So a lot of times we always show you the process, we always show you the awesome results, but we don't actually show you how we got the job done. So what I figured would be best is to show you more of a behind the scenes type of look at the tools and chemicals we use to get the job done every single time. Check it out. So after we do a very thorough hand wash of the entire vehicle, which includes the washing of the paint, glass, plastic trim, tires, pretty much everything, we then do what is called the clay bar treatment. What this does is grab onto any really embedded contaminants or particles on your paint and safely removes them. We then follow that up with an iron decontamination. So what that means is that we use an iron removing spray that will get rid of any remaining particles that are stuck on your paint. It's really effective at cleaning whatever might be remaining on your paint's clear coat. After we rinse the vehicle, we'll dry it with microfiber towels and use blowers like these to make sure any of the remaining water is removed from those hard to reach places and crevices. After that, we'll do a paint correction, which is going to remove any sort of swirls, scratches, or oxidation that's preventing your paint from shining. So we do that with a combination of polishers, polishing pads, and compounds. What we got here is a dual action Rupes polisher, very awesome brand, and we attach different pads on this. So we'll start out with what is called a cutting pad and use a strong compound. Here what we're using is a Meguiar's 5-inch microfiber cutting pad with some Just Guard correcting compound. This is the very first step of what is called a two-step paint correction. This particular compound and cutting pad combination are meant to remove any sort of larger, more noticeable imperfections. After that, we'll use a polishing pad and polishing compound to refine the paint some more and bring out a really nice shine. Here we're using a Rupes 5-inch white polishing pad, very soft pad, with some Sonax polish, really effective product. The next step is to do a final surface prep, which essentially means we're going to remove any sort of the remaining smudges or blemishes from your paint. To do that, we use this particular product, which is our Geon Prep. Let me tell you, this is fantastic at creating the perfect surface to be able to remove any sort of blemish before we apply our ceramic coating. We then follow that up with our 10-year ceramic coating that we got right here. Comes with a free 10-year warranty and can only be applied by certified installers just like us. Next, we got our plastic trim coating right here, but it actually restores any sort of faded plastic trim in addition to acting as an actual ceramic coating. Really awesome product and can last you up to 2 years. And here, if our customers decide that they want to add any sort of additional coatings, we can certainly do that. Here we have our glass coating, which makes your glass extremely hydrophobic and only comes in handy anytime it's rainy. That water will just fly right off when you're driving. Here we have a rim coating, which is a must if you love keeping your rims looking like new for a really long time. And here we have our leather coating. This coating protects against stains, scratches, and fading. Really important to get this if you got leather seats and really want to preserve the look for a really long time. So now that you've seen all the tools and chemicals that we use behind the scenes, let's check out that finished product one more time.
So 2 weeks after our initial ceramic coating installation, we came back for a basic routine maintenance wash. And let me tell you, that ceramic coating made what already was a beautiful vehicle look better than new. Customer was extremely happy with the results, and so were we. I mean, just look at the gloss on that paint. Very, very beautiful.
We hope you enjoyed the short behind the scenes look at how we get the job done every single time for all of our amazing customers. And the great thing about this is that all the things you just saw, we can do just for you. So once we're done with your vehicle, you're going to fall in love with it all over again. It's going to look better than new. It's going to be protected. It's going to be so easy to maintain. You're going to get that free 10-year warranty. It's going to be awesome. Hope to see you soon.
With over 140 plus 5-star Google reviews, you can trust the ceramic coating pros here at Alpha Lion Auto Detailing in McAllen.